Challenge yourself to become a better photographer in 30 days. Challenge number 29 is simply color. Color is normally what you work to graduate to when you're in a photography program. You take a lot of black and white photos like this here, and you try to develop your composition, and then it's kind of like you can move into color. And you can be a photojournalist or any one of those things in black and white, but color can add a bit of a challenge because normally you have to balance that, and you want to create the right type of result with the photos you're taking. As you can see in sunrise sunsets, which is right up here, and golden hour, you can take a look at that one right there. And culture especially will have the variety of different colors, especially from other countries. You might see colors you're not used to, and that culture is right up here. But the point is, you can go out and take some photos. Don't just take pictures of colorful things, which is nice, but making color the mainstay of the image. You can take a picture of a rainbow, but is that going to be able to be conveyed completely, or is it just going to be so far away that you can't tell the color, or is it that color going to stand out on the darkened sky? So you want to do that especially. And you could also choose one color. Lots of times I've seen it where maybe a red light is covering the image, and it kind of gives that idea of a little bit of secrecy and danger. And because every time we see a red light, it's kind of like an emergency signal, something like that. Green can provide that soothing feeling, kind of a bit of a peaceful. Yellow is a happy color. Whenever those colors become the mainstay of the photo, outside of just the composition, sometimes when it blankets the photo, their color becomes the main idea of your photo. So take your time, and as always, challenge yourself to become a better photographer every day.